Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to add your Cash App to Apple Pay. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this work is the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first guys, you're going to go and need a Cash App application so that you'll be able to add it to your Apple Wallet. So what you want to do if you do not already have the application is go to the App Store and download it. So you want to open up your App Store on your mobile phone. If you've not already, go ahead and open up the search bar, and after opening up the search section, you can search for Cash App. After searching for Cash App, just find the application, download it to your phone, and once you have installed it, now we can get started. So basically guys, once you open up your Cash App application, you can log in either with your mobile number or with your login info, depending whichever option you prefer. And once you have logged in successfully, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can take a look at your cash balance, you can take a look at your savings and all the options you have. So now let's go and take a look at how to add it to our Apple Pay. Basically guys, what you want to do is click this button right here in the middle of the page. So right here at the bottom next to the dollar sign, as you can see, the left side of the dollar sign is the credit card option. You want to click on that card icon next to the dollar sign. That's going to open up your card page. So once you have opened up your card page guys, it's going to look like this, where you're going to go and be able to see all the cards that you have added to your Cash App. So once you have added your cards to your Cash App, you can go ahead and long hold them, long press the card that you want to add to Apple Pay, and as you can see, it's going to look like this. Once you open up the long press on your card, you'll be able to go ahead and select add to Apple Pay option. So click on add to Apple Pay, and after this guys, it's going to go ahead and enable you to add your card to Apple Pay, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.